Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Jean-Christophe Kugler, Executive Vice President, Chairman of Europe Region.
Hello everybody, it's great to be here today. But as you see, I'm not alone. First, and the most important thing to know about Dacia is our brand was built by a passionate group of people who proudly call themselves Dacia customers. I would like to introduce in this stand 24 Dacia German customers who are joining us for some big news. Yeah, today we are here to present our latest addition to the Dacia family. It's been 7 years since the first Duster was launched. Back then, it was Dacia's first SUV. True to the Dacia brand, we came up with a robust, simple, reliable car delivering unbeatable value for money. And we know how that turned out. Did you know that over the past 7 years, we sold 1 million Duster over 44 countries. We have 4 million Facebook fans and hold heavily attended Dacia customer picnics around the world. Dacia has become a phenomenon. Just look at how many records we've beaten. More than 4.5 million Dacia cars have been sold since 2004. And we have broken our sales record year after year. So far, 2017 is outstanding, with more than 434,000 units sold globally until August. 11% up. And Sandero, who was the first car sold to private customers from January to July this year in Europe. But at Dacia, we do not settle with the best we can make. We push it further. That's all what new Duster is about. It's still the beloved Duster, but now we are bringing more. So, without keeping you waiting any longer, let's discover the all-new Dacia Duster. Wow, it's great, isn't it? Building on the strength of its predecessor, it simply brings you more, all for a price that is still shockingly affordable. It's never easy to renew an icon as Duster. Our customers really love their car. Its style, its affordability and robustness, and of course, its unrivaled price-equipment ratio. With the all-new Duster, we kept all this, but we added tougher design and brand new comfort on board. First, it's clearly an off-roader. Dacia fans know it. Duster can be taken to wild places. Duster is regularly put to test with success by firemen, mountain rescuers, or at international rallies. The new Duster can do all that with even better looks and power. We've added more design secret sauce. The new Duster features even more assertive, bolder, sharper lines compared to its predecessor. With the same compact footprint, it looks more muscular. The new headlights, featuring a new lighting signature, are positioned at the car's extreme front corner. The higher belt line and the robust wheel arches are making it look wider. Its new aluminum roof bars and more prominent front and rear skid plates point its adventurer credential. With added enjoyment. In addition to its class-leading off-road ability, we boosted driving pleasure thanks to a new power steering system that makes maneuvering easier in tough areas. We've added driving aids. The all-new Duster comes with a 4x4 monitor that incorporates a compass and notifies the drivers of the vehicle's angle. The car offers multi-view cameras, allowing the driver to view the area all around the vehicle. Very useful when you drive off-road and almost essential when you park your car. Finally, the new Duster proposes now a hill descent control completed by a hill start assist. Second, it's even more practical and more functional for an everyday use. Exterior looks count, but we spend a lot of time inside a car. So we gave very special care to the interior, which we entirely redesigned. These new lines are specific to Duster. Our main objective was driver comfort. We reviewed all the ergonomics. First, we came up with a brand new S-shaped dashboard that is more vertical and user-friendly. The center console has been redesigned with easier access to media nav, more contemporary controls, and more capacity storage. The steering wheel can be now adjusted for height and reach. The seats had been completely redesigned and are more enveloping thanks to a new frame and an improved support. The interior acoustic has significantly improved, and it reduces noise from outside the car. The all-new Duster comes with a host of equipment never previously seen on a Dacia car, but super relevant to maximize the Dacia Duster experience. It has now the automatic air conditioning, a keyless entry system, and a blind stop warning. It's also safer when its reinforced vehicle frame, new seat frames, curtain airbags, and automatic headlights activation. As you can see, we stuck to the essentials. Every single feature we added helps to facilitate everyday motoring. New Duster is more Duster than ever. Still affordable, it's an off-roader that will take you further in either greater style and comfort. We are confident our fans will continue to love it, and that new Duster will be the next blockbuster, or shall I say, blockduster. Thank you for your attention, and now for the photo, I would like to welcome my friend Lawrence, head of design and one of the all-new Duster fathers.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Jean-Christophe Kugler and Mr. Lawrence Vandenacker are now available for photographers in front of the all-new Dacia Duster.